the dates.
17 March, 26 March, 14 April, 1st May, 20th November, 16th December.
Why are the dates in Activity H important? Write the letter of the date next to the correct holiday.
17 March, 26
Birthday
March,
of Bangabandhu
Independence
Sheikh
Day
Mujibur
of
Rahman,
Bangladesh, the father of the nation. 26 March, Independence Day of Bangladesh. 14 April, Bangla New Year. 16 December, Victory Day of Bangladesh. 1st May, International Workers' Day. 20 November, International Children's Day.
Drag and match the correct days with the appropriate picture. Write the following dates in words and say them.
31st January 1995, 9th August 1997, 22nd July 2000, 21st October 2009, 23 May 2015.
Drop the correct dates to the appropriate lettered cages. Then listen and say the date. Write your birthday in numbers and words.
Do in your textbook.